Hey guys, it's Dev and welcome back to another little vlog day. So today we are kind of upgrading the TT. It's currently I think 7:30, 7:40-ish. Gonna go in about 20 minutes. Gonna go fix the TT. Something worn out, but it's not like worn out recently. It's worn out because of the age of the car. The car is 12 years old now. So yeah, it's pretty old and stuff like this tends to wear out at this stage. So yeah, let's go fix that. Gonna spend the day in, I think, Alberton. At I think the place's name is Speed Auto Body, something like that. Not quite sure, but yeah, we're gonna spend the day there. They're gonna fix the car, hopefully, and yeah, we'll see how it is. And tonight, probably drag races. Don't think I'm going to race myself, but the entrance fee does include racing, so I don't know, maybe. But yeah, let's go there.
Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on.
Okay guys, so we're done now. The brakes are set, just need a little bit of a braking period. For those of you doing brakes on your Audi TT, the back brakes tend to get stuck, so you just gotta hit them with a hammer and they'll come off just like the front ones. Yeah, that's basically it. Thanks to Speed Auto Body for helping me with this. They were cheap, they did an amazing job, and so far everything's great. It's just the braking period. And yeah, we at Wits now, if you wanna know where I am. Just picking someone up, and yeah, then off to Tarlton, I guess. So next week clip should probably be that. Okay, just a quick interruption to today's video, just a little announcement I have to make. So, as some of you know, some of you don't, I am an ambassador for DSK Motorsport. They are an auto detailing, well, company slash shop. I think you can send your car, they'll detail it for you, do upholstery, a lot of stuff like that. And I'm an ambassador, so it means you guys get a 10% off code on their kits and basically anything on the website if you use my code DEV. I'll have it up on the screen, it's just DEV in caps. And yeah, got my package for car cleaning stuff. Gonna open it up now on camera for you guys, and hopefully, yeah. Also, another thing I'm going to start doing is you'll see the products hopefully somewhere in the background of my photos on Instagram. And the thing is, you guys are gonna have to look for them. They're not gonna be apparent. You're gonna have to look for them. So I'm gonna try and hide them the best I can, and yeah, hopefully it'll make some fun. But yeah, that's basically it for me. So let's get to unboxing the kit. So I think this kit is special to the ambassadors. It just includes a few extra things. Maybe not, I'm not actually quite sure. But I know the cleaning supplies are in the kit for the other one. So yeah, this is how you'll get it packaged with the little box DSK, so it makes it easier to store and like just keep in your garage or wherever you keep your cleaning supplies. So yeah, huge sponge. Well, okay, these things are a lot bigger than I thought they were. So this is the first one, which is the wash and wax. The camera will just focus. There we go, it's the wash and wax. And this is just like general wash for your car. Then you have the other little bottle, which is the black to black. It'll focus again, black to black. You use this for like plastics and stuff on the outside of your car. They include a little microfiber cloth to clean your car with, which is pretty cool. I'm not quite sure if the sponges are meant for cleaning or just packaging, but I guess you could use it for cleaning. Then you have this shimmer, which is tire shine. So it seems pretty cool. It's just, I don't know, looks like water. Probably shouldn't drink it though. Revitalize, which is for leather cream with active cleaning cells. So sounds fancy, probably make your car smell like new leather again. And then just more sponges. The sponges are pretty soft, probably play with it later. So yeah, this is the kit. So look out for these bottles in the backgrounds of posts to come. Like obviously the posts that are on Instagram now aren't any of these, but like keep your eye out for these. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's basically everything that's in the kit. I think the kit's 350 Rand with a 10% discount. So if you use code DEV, I'll have the links, DSK Motorsports links down below for you guys to DM them. I'll also have a telephone number so you can WhatsApp them if you want to do that. just WhatsApp them with what you want. If you want the cleaning kit, to just say cleaning kit, and then you can just say code DEV for the 10% discount. The discount does obviously help me. I get a bit of a commission on it for like obviously bringing you guys, because I referenced you to them. So yeah, if you guys order stuff there, use code DEV, it helps me as well. So let's get back to the video.
My whole life I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. Life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff. I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen time go by for too many years now when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time